It's better off this way.
If you look over there, you'll see something. I'm in San Francisco. Guys, we got a sunroof. Look at that.
That's an awareness.
I have friends. Whee! Hello vlog. It is the next day. It is Friday, October 21st. I have no sense of day or anything on this trip. Like, I had to check my phone for that. But I'm opening up the vlog. So I got ready, and I want to say later tonight we're doing the ghost tour, so that's gonna be very, very exciting. I'm excited for that. I want to show you guys my OOTD. Stayed in the room and had breakfast. I ordered Postmates, had an acai bowl, and she had something from the restaurant from this hotel. Here is my OOTD. The lighting is horrible, I know, but this green dress is Princess Polly. It was in my fall clothing haul, and I'm wearing leggings under it, which are probably Victoria's Secret. And then I got these boots. I don't know where they're from, probably Journey to something, I don't know. And then this jacket is Princess Polly as well. My necklace is a Brandy Melville, and then my rings are probably Target. And then earrings, these are Brandy Melville, and these are probably Claire's. But yeah, we're gonna go out and about and, you know, just hang out and have fun. So I will update you guys in the car. Fog over the bridge. Pretty nice city.
It to yourself or hold it to the person next to you. It might turn yellow. So hello from all of us. To tell us that you're here and that you would like to speak to us, can you tell us hello and tell us your name? In 3, 2, 1.
Hello guys. It is Saturday, October 22nd, and we are on the way to do a wine tour. We're going to Napa Valley. Gonna go into like 2 o'clock, Mom said. Pumpkins. What's over there? Look at all these things they got. Hello guys, so we just got back in the car from being in this really cool market. I thought it was really, really cool. I got a notebook, and I'm going to use it as a songwriting book. I think that would be fun. I also got a pen with it, so I'm gonna show you the pen first. It has a lightning bolt on it, and I think it's really cute. And I got a notebook. I'm just gonna let you read it yourself. Okay, you know what it says. So yeah, it was cool in there. These things, I'm gonna try them. So we're just gonna head over soon and get on the train. We're at the wine train thingy that we're gonna get on soon. Hi.
Yeah. Okay. Who wants to be forward facing? Oh yeah, maybe we can like buy stuff from them.
Cheers. Some tomato soup. Hello guys, it is much later. I got a little bit of footage on the train ride that we took. It was cool. It is now 5:58 and we just got back up to our room. We had been driving around and stuff. And now we're gonna get ready to go down and walk, and we're gonna go to Lush because we want to get our bath bombs for tonight. And I may get Starbucks again. Not the same drink though, because that's way too much. I'm so bad. I may get a drink, but it's gonna be a healthy drink. Okay, anyways, yeah, we're gonna do that, and then later we're gonna have dinner somewhere. Got a Caesar salad with grilled shrimp. Yum. Hello guys. It is Sunday, October 23rd. It is 11:46, and I just got ready. I want to show you my OOTD. Also, I did not finish the vlog last night. I literally finished, like, the last clip I had last night was at the restaurant. Sorry about that, but literally we just came back to the room and chilled out. So that's all we did. So you didn't miss much. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you my OOTD. Okay, here is my OOTD I am wearing this Portland sweatshirt. It's from Princess Polly. It's really cute. I think I'm gonna put a necklace on. I think I'm gonna put the one that I got from Brandy Melville. But anyways, I'm wearing that, and I'm wearing this tennis skirt, this black tennis skirt with leggings, because I might get cold. So I'm gonna have leggings on. And then my shoes are the same ones I've been wearing. They're the knockoff Fila's. And then I got my spiritual bracelet on. I did curl my hair, put some curls in it. So I'm going to go put my necklace on. Oh, and my earrings. See, there's my earrings. And yeah, that's my OOTD. See you in a bit.
Continue for 2. In a quarter mile, take exit 506.
Hello guys, many hours later, we are in where?
Monterey.
Monterey, and we're about to eat finally. Finally eating, finally. Got some pasta. It's fettuccine pasta. Hello guys. It is Monday, October 24th, 8 a.m. I'm eating an acai bowl. It's really good. I'll show you. With coffee, yum. So today we're going to Mirror Woods to see some trees, redwood trees. We tried to go another day and we had to have reservations. So we're going back. Bowl's really good. I'll try to vlog later today because I did horrible yesterday. What's up there, I wonder? We got spinach dip. Let's see what we got. Salad, of course. Yum. We are ready to board.
He wasn't the man to give in to an engineering challenge or political opposition. Encourage.
Well guys, we are heading back home. I kind of sucked at vlogging. Sorry. We're about to head out. We're gonna have a taxi pick us up and take us to the airport. And yeah, head home. It's been fun and I'm ready to get home and I can't wait to share things with you guys. So yeah.
I tell you when you're recording, you start recording. I just got